Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a very long time. I'm not officially back, but I wanted to make a quick video for you on a David Yurman piece that I got for Mother's Day. So yes, I am mother. I am a mom now, and so I did not share any of my experience, throughout pregnancy and giving birth and everything like that, just because, like I've always said, living in the moment. And yeah, so I was pregnant during the whole time I was teaching. I gave birth on March 26, 2025, and so that meant that I was able to celebrate Mother's Day with my baby in my arms, and so that was pretty exciting. And I got my Mother's Day gift and a push present, but today I'm only going to be showing you my Mother's Day gift. Okay, so a little bit more about baby boy. His name is Ian. He looks just like dad. He is so cute, so smart, and he's only 7 weeks old, and he's already growing so fast. I'm like, can time just stop? And so I'm just trying to soak in everything. And yeah, I'm gonna be a stay-at-home mom once the school year is over. I haven't gone back to teaching ever since we had our spring break, and so it is very heartbreaking that I'm gonna leave my teaching career to a stop there for a minute. I'm not sure when I'll be back, or even if I'll be back, but yeah, I am gonna be a stay-at-home mom. So with that being said, I wanted to show you my first David Yurman piece, and thank you to my husband for this adorable piece. I am so happy. I feel like, we went through the whole bag situation, as you can see. A whole bunch of bags that I've collected throughout the years, sold some, bought some, and just, a whole bunch of commotion with bags. And as you can see, I have a lot of bags, and so I can do a review on like newer purchases that I've had. There's also like 2 more bags on my wish list. I feel like every year there's always like 1 new bag I add, but as of now there's only 2 bags on my wish list, which is pretty exciting. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this little David Yurman piece. So we went to North Park Mall in Dallas on Friday. Mother's Day was on Saturday, so we did celebrate a little bit earlier. So we went to Dallas, and I got my David Yurman piece here. Beautiful box, nice, thick and sturdy. And then here is the piece itself. I like that it comes with this little packaging here that you're able to travel with. Again, you can use this for other jewelry or the jewelry piece itself, on if you're not wearing it. So something that really surprised me right away is that it has a little magnetic piece here, so that way your pieces don't like fall out or anything like that. So once you open it up, it comes in a little cardboard cushion, and this is the piece that I got. It is the cable linked necklace, and I got the sterling silver with the gold ring as well. I am a mixed jewelry girly, and so I felt like this piece was just like perfect for me. And I was debating between getting this necklace or the Tiffany heart one with the pink heart, because obviously I'm a pink girly, but thinking really I have to bump up into the mature stage, I feel, with just timeless pieces. And even though the Tiffany pink heart is a timeless piece, like I'm about to enter my 30s soon, like I don't know, I just feel like this piece is just kind of what it has to give and what it is giving. So let's go ahead and take it out. This is sterling silver and 14 karat gold, and so it looks like that. Let me go ahead and put this a little nicer for you to see. So it looks like this. I really like that the silver ring has a texture to it, and classic David Yurman signature design. I was also debating between this one or like the initial gold round necklace, or like the little letter ones, but thinking about like name necklaces and everything like that, like yes, they're really cute and adorable, but I don't know, something about this one just kind of screamed like it was a little more classier. So here's a little design for a little logo David Yurman piece. So yeah, I am a true mixed girly at heart, and so I felt like this was honestly just perfect. And I'll go ahead and show you how it looks on. Hopefully I'm able to put this on by myself. No, I am not. My mom and my sisters gave me a James Avery piece for Mother's Day, obviously being my first Mother's Day, and so it's the ring that I'm wearing right now, the Mother's Love ring. And so just silver and gold here and there, I feel like this just really like wraps it up. So yeah, this is how it looks like on. I really like it on the highest setting is just kind of how I always like my necklaces, sitting at 16 inches. And so yeah, this is what it looks like. I wore it for the first time on Mother's Day and I really liked how it looked. And so right now, as I'm wearing this jewelry, I have a little James Avery charm bracelet, but as you can see, it has no charms. That's because I kept it by itself like that. I do have a charm bracelet that has actual charms, but this one I just kept it on its own, and it's kind of giving David Yurman because of the little spiral design. But yeah, it's silver. The silver Mother's Love ring, Cartier Love band, wedding engagement ring, which is white gold, and then this little ring that my mom gave me. How can I show you? Like literally, let me twist my thumb, right? So my mom gave me this ring. So yeah, whole bunch of things going on. No earrings right now because of course I have a 7-week-old newborn, and I only got ready to film this video. So yeah, but yeah, I pretty much have nothing else to say about the necklace. Like, I just got it, so I can of course make a video on the wear as I, you know, wear it here and there. Actually, all of the days, because I really like it. I have a lot of necklaces. I have a lot of dainty necklaces, and I just really like them for every day. I have a whole bunch of like Kendra Scott, you know that's like OG, a whole bunch of like TJ Maxx ones, and so this one is just like my really nice one. I also had a Swarovski one, like the crystal one. But yeah, if you want to see a jewelry collection video, let me know, because that's like something I really want to get into more. Just collecting like timeless pieces that I can just have and pass on to my future daughter or my future daughter-in-law, if that is that we're only having boys. And so yeah, I'm just really happy with this piece and I'm really excited. I for sure want to get like a ring from them and a bracelet from them. Not earrings, because I feel like for earrings I'm okay with the TJ Maxx ones, since that's something that I always switch up. But as for like rings, I always like keep the same ones. Necklaces, I keep them on for like, you know, probably like 3 weeks and then I switch it out. And but this one is like, oh, it's so beautiful. Like, I just want to keep it on and everything. And so yeah, so happy Mother's Day to me. And I feel like this necklace really represents my husband and I really well, because he's more of a silver guy, and for a time I was like a big gold girly, and then I suddenly just started mixing the metal. So I feel like the necklace itself, I feel like it's like perfect, like it's like us, you know. So yeah, so that's pretty much all I have to say. Please let me know if there's any specific video you want to see from me. I don't want to say I'm officially back. I don't want to break any hearts, but yeah, I'd love to be back. I definitely do miss talking to the camera. And this is actually a camera. This is a Canon G7X Mark II, and so like it's like nice, you know, like no longer filming on iPhone. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye.